welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really well. I have an empties video. I feel like a real actual YouTuber because I'm shooting an empties video, which is actually just so exciting. But I've been collecting a bunch of empties since like end of last year, and I've been stowing it away secretly in like a special cabinet just so that I could shoot this. So I have a bunch of skincare, I have hair care, I have some miscellaneous stuff. I'm gonna first talk about my experience of using that product and then maybe mention what I'm gonna be replacing it with. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with body care empties. First up is First Aid Beauty's Ultra Repair Cream. This is quite a big tub and it's actually such a beautiful body moisturizer. You know I love the Bioderma Atoderm Creme, and obviously I've gone through multiple bottles of that during the span of me collecting these empties also, but I have to mention this one because this one is a very deeply moisturizing moisturizer and it doesn't wash off until the next day, meaning in the shower you can actually feel it being rinsed off you. But my favorite thing about it is that it absorbs so quickly. Like, it doesn't make you feel greasy, it doesn't make you feel like you have anything on your skin, honestly. So this is like such a unique formula. I find like a lot of moisturizers, you do feel like you have something on your skin. The replacement for this product is actually just another tub of this exact same product because I really do like it. Okay, so the second empty I have is a L'Occitane 25% shea butter ultra rich body cream. This one is very thick and that's the only reason I bought it. Like, I wanted a thick moisturizer for winter season because I get very dry. Like, my skin just feels like it's really tight straight out of the shower and I need something on my skin, otherwise it feels like it's just gonna fall off me. So I got this for that explicit purpose. It does have a fragrance which is very subtle and very like florally, I feel. It's just such a good moisturizer, and I was not going to buy a backup of this because it's very expensive and I was like, what is it actually doing for me? But then every time I'm like, I want like a extravagant shower routine and I want to finish with a very rich moisturizer, I feel like this one came in handy. So I got a refill pack and that's my replacement product of this one. It's literally just another one of this. So let's get into hair care. I have spoken about this in my 2024 favorites. This is the 8X shampoo. I've gone through multiple bottles of this. This is kind of like an anti-dandruff shampoo that's good for dry scalp, and I got it prescribed from a dermat because I was having hair fall. It's just such a lovely shampoo. Like, it just really prevents how much hair falls from my scalp when I'm actually in the shower. Like, it's such a significant difference, and I use this to wash my scalp every other day, so I run through these quite fast. And the replacement for this is the same shampoo. Like, I got another one of the same shampoo, so you know it's actually a favorite as well. And then we're gonna talk about like a conditioner type product. This is Treacell's Forte Ampule Treatment. I think Forte, I think it's Forte, I don't know. It's an ampule treatment, so it's a very liquidy type of formula. Like, it's literally just like water and you just put it all over your hair when it's wet and leave it on for like 2-3 seconds, and you will notice that it's become like a creamy frothy type of texture, almost like a conditioner. So that's how the product works and it's amazing. It leaves your hair feeling so soft and so conditioned, which is what you want if you have frizzy hair or curly hair types. Like, when I use this, my curls look so like bouncy as well and very weightless, so I love how this performs. And my replacement for this is another one of this exact same thing. I got this on Limes. I think it's out of stock, but I happened to luck out. I found a Noble chemist that stocked this one and I bought it instantly. But if you're not able to get your hands on it, there's an ampule treatment available from this Indian brand called Rays Beauty. They're a new hair care brand. I haven't personally tried it, but I just thought I'll mention it. So yeah, this is my second hair care empty. Next I have IndieWile's Moonlight Scalp Serum. I really quite like this, but I did not use this for as long as I should have to like really notice the hair growth benefits and such. So I mean, I like the texture of it. It doesn't leave a residue. It's almost like the Kerastase one in texture, like it's jelly-like almost, but very easily absorbed into the scalp. And the best thing is that Kerastase one sometimes has like an alcoholic smell to it, because I think the first ingredient in it is alcohol, which dissipates as soon as you put it on your scalp. But this one doesn't have that, and I feel like if you use it consistently, you will notice a difference. But I have so many scalp serums, and I got one prescribed from a dermat recently. So I'm gonna be using that one as well as the Wishcare one. The Wishcare one is my absolute favorite scalp serum, so that's gonna be my replacement. But this was nice, but I'm not gonna repurchase it right now, if that makes sense. Do you get what I mean? Then I have Ordinary's Natural Moisturizing Factors Plus HA Scalp Serum. This one is just for moisturizing the scalp, because at one point I had, as I mentioned, a dry scalp, and I got this for that purpose. But I noticed that it would make my scalp really greasy, and the only time I would be able to use it is right before I wash my hair or the night before I wash my hair, which I don't like. I want my scalp serum not to leave a residue. I didn't enjoy the greasy feeling it left on my scalp, so I would not be repurchasing this one. The last hair care empty is K18 Molecular Hair Mask. This one is a leave-in. Nothing compares. This one cannot be replaced. No other brand makes any product similar to this. This is one of those products that actually blew me away with the results. If you have damaged hair, colored hair, please get yourself this one and use it in the way that you're meant to use it. You just need a very small amount. Don't use conditioner, and just use that small amount all over your hair, and you will instantly feel the difference of health in your hair. And this is like a treatment. So this I actually used a year and a half, 2 years ago, and you're not meant to continuously use it. You're meant to use it every week for 4 weeks and then reduce how often you use it, something like that. So after I used it that way, I didn't have to continue with this, if that makes sense. So that's why I've had this in my cupboard for so long, trying to get to the end of it. So I've made it to the end, and I will not be repurchasing it right now, because my hair doesn't need that level of care, because it's not colored or damaged. But I will 100% buy this without even thinking about it. It's very expensive. I know that, 6,000 rupees for this size, but I will 150% spend my money on it, because the results are just insanely good. You can see it with your eyes, and there are very few products that you can actually see that with. So yeah, this is just a non-replaceable product, and it is very highly recommended by me. But right now I'm not replacing it. Moving on to skincare, we have one of my favorite products of all time. This is Avène's Thermal Spring Water Spray. Again, it's kind of tricky to get your hands on this, but I do happen to find it quite often at Noble Chemist. This one is spraying your face with the freshest water possible, and it just feels so cooling and refreshing every time I spray my face with it. It's really good if you have sensitive skin or sensitized skin from overusing products or actives, and it just is such a lovely product to use. I was told that Caudalie Grape Water is comparable to this, but I haven't tried that one, because right now I've replaced this with Dew's Imbalance in my routine, because that one is also so nice. So next is Laneige Cream Skin Refiner. This is actually the old formula. I have a little bit of it left, but I have since moved on to using other milky toners. Again, the Dew Imbalance is a milky toner in itself. I also have the Ordinary's new milky toner. I have Phase milky toner. So I had to sacrifice a small bit so that I could get through my other milky toners, which is actually all the rage right now. But this is my all-time favorite milky toner. This one, it just leaves your skin looking so supple and so moisturized, and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin at all. The sad part is that this formula is no longer being made by the brand. They've updated the formula, and I heard that it's better now for oily skin types, but that means that it's not as moisturizing on dry skin types, which is the skin type that I have. Sad goodbye to Laneige's old cream skin refiner formula, which I loved. Vichy's Mineral 89. I literally cannot get the product out of the bottom. so I had to open it, do this to the bottle. But this is such an amazing hydrating serum. It literally feels like ice cold water on your face, and it's a very jelly like formula, which I really like because it absorbs into your skin so quickly. I don't think you get this very easily in India. I got this when I was in Turkey and I was traveling. I would 100% buy it again if I had the chance. But for right now, I have replaced it with, there's no exact replacement, at least like texture wise, but I have been using Asaya's multi-peptide and hyaluronic acid serum, and I feel like the Dr. Jart Cica pair is quite similar, even though it's not a serum, it's quite similar in texture. So I've been using different products instead of this one, but I really quite like this one and I'm glad I emptied it. I've been really on such a kick of trying to finish the products I have and not like bring new products into my routine. Even though I get gifted so much stuff, I literally just give them away because I just feel like I just found the products I love. My interest in trying something new is very less, honestly, unless the product checks all my different boxes. So I've just been really liking emptying out some products, and I have been working towards that with products that are still on my shelves. So maybe I'll make a part 2 of this video. If you like the concept of it, let me know. So that's a reminder for you to not go out and buy everything that everyone is recommending. Finish what you have, unless it's not working for you or it's giving you an allergic reaction or whatever, like obviously. Next empty is Vilva's aloe vera gel. Honestly, empty, like empty. Yeah, it's emptied because I used this to shave my face, and I also used it to like, you know, the Foreo Luna Mini, the device that I have, which is a microcurrent device. You need a little bit of gel on your skin, and this was the safest aloe vera gel ever. I feel like it's just the purest one I've ever tried in my whole life. I 100% need to buy a new one of this, but I've also stopped shaving with this because my dermat recommended that I use the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser to shave my face, and that's been working really well, so I didn't have to repurchase this immediately. And I found an alternative even for like the Luna, the Foreo machine. So yeah, I'm like, I love this 100%. I would buy it again if I need an aloe vera gel. Does that make sense? If you are needing an aloe vera gel, get this one. Do not even try getting any other aloe vera gel because this is amazing. I have 2 sunscreens that I've emptied. One is Beauty of Joseon's Relief Sun, the rice and probiotics version, and then I also have emptied Round Labs sunscreen. I don't actually know the name of it and it's all in Korean. Both of these are amazing, so easy to work with, and you barely even feel like you're wearing a sunscreen. It just melts into your skin, there's no white cast. It's such a pleasurable experience. But in terms of replacements for this, I do have a backup of this one in my shelf right now, so I'm using this one. But I also have the Aqua variant, and I have plenty of other sunscreens, so I'm not gonna repurchase the Round Lab one right now. Now we've made it to the miscellaneous category. I don't know where to fit these products, but they're products I want to mention. YSL's Libre Intense. I've emptied it, like sprayed it to the very last spritz. I love it. I 100% want to repurchase it. It's a very sweet scent and I love sweet fragrances, so yeah, like I really want another one of this, but I'm waiting for like a sale or something, and ideally I want to only just get it refilled instead of getting like a whole other bottle. Unless I'm gonna get like the bigger size, then it makes sense. If I'm getting the same size, then I just want to refill. I don't know if YSL does refills in India. I noticed that they do it abroad, so I'm trying to figure this out, but this was amazing. 100% I will repurchase it. Actually, I'm noticing that only if I like and love products do I empty them, so this is kind of like a favorites video again, which I didn't think about earlier, but we're here, so let's finish the video. This is a cuticle potion. This is from Araina by Ashneet. This brand, their products, wow, I've been using them for years and they're a very small business. I have an affiliate code with them specifically because after I started using them, I loved their products so much that I wanted a code. Like, this is a cuticle potion. that you can use all around your fingers just to improve your nail health. And it is like pure waxes and butters, and you can really feel that, like it's a salve, right? So you can really feel how moisturizing and how like good it is for your skin. So honestly, I even use this all over my foot as a foot balm, so it's very multi-purpose. And I do want to repurchase this, but I did get another salve type product from Thailand when I was there, and it's pure shea butter, so I want to finish that before I get another one of this. If you're looking for any hand, feet care or any nail health related products, check out Araina by Ashneet, because their products are just amazing and so worth the price. Like they're quite decently priced as well. Last empty is actually gonna be quite funny, I guess. It's a toothpaste. And honestly, this toothpaste takes me so long to finish, so I was so proud of myself. I had to include it in the video. This is actually a paste that my dentist has to supply me because I can't get it anywhere else easily. I think it's Korean because the letters are in Korean. It's 3M's toothpaste. My replacement for this is obviously another one of it, because my teeth apparently are very like prone to cavities, which is why I was suggested this paste to begin with. And I like it because it has a vanilla flavor to it, and it doesn't become like frothy like a regular toothpaste. So it's very unique. I quite enjoy the experience of using it. So ask your dentist for it if you get cavities a lot, or if you just want to try like a very pleasurable toothpaste. Honestly, I don't know why I'm including this, maybe just for like lols. That was my empties video. I'm so proud of myself for finishing so many products, and I hope it motivates you to also finish all of the products that are on your shelves before buying new ones. Yeah, let me know how you like this video. If you want to see more of my empties, then I'll start collecting them right now. I'll see you next week with another video, maybe, or the week after that. But yeah, catch me on Instagram before then if you miss me, and on YouTube Shorts. And make sure to subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.